Hello everyone, happy evening to all. This is Savanan from Infinite Knowledge YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain how to enter advanced journal entries in Tally Prime. These are all the journal entries I am going to enter in Tally Prime. First transaction is goods worth rupees 40,000 brought into business. Again I repeat, goods worth rupees 40,000 brought into business. Here the journal entry is debit purchase goods account, credit is capital account. Go to Tally Prime, go to vouchers. You have to enter in journal voucher. Shortcut key is F7. So debit purchase goods account, how much? 40,000. Credit is capital account. Next transaction is goods worth rupees 9,000 taken for personal use. Again I repeat, goods worth rupees 9,000 taken for personal use. Here the journal entry is debit capital account, credit is purchase goods account. You have to enter in journal voucher. Debit capital account, how much? 9,000. Credit is purchase goods account. Next transaction is goods worth rupees 2,000 given as donation. Again I repeat, goods worth rupees 2,000 given as donation. Here the journal entry is debit donation account, credit is purchase goods account. This you have to enter in journal voucher. So debit is donation, how much? 2,000. Credit is purchase goods account. Next transaction is goods worth rupees 1,000 given as free sample. Again I repeat, goods worth rupees 1,000 given as free sample. Here the journal entry is debit free sample account, credit is purchase goods account. This also you have to enter in journal voucher. So debit free sample account, how much? 1,000. So credit is purchase goods account. Next transaction is goods worth rupees 14,000 used as repairs and maintenance for business premises. Again I repeat, goods worth rupees 14,000 used as repairs and maintenance for business premises. Here the journal entry is debit repairs and maintenance account, credit is purchase goods account. This also you have to enter in journal voucher. So debit repairs and maintenance, amount is 14,000. Credit is purchase goods account. Okay. Next transaction is purchase 5 computers of rupees 2 lakhs from Dell company on credit. Again I repeat, purchase 5 computers of rupees 2 lakhs from Dell company on credit. Here the journal entry is debit purchase computers account, credit is Dell company account. Go to Tally Prime. You have to enter in purchase voucher. Shortcut key is F9. Then click change mode. Select as voucher. The credit is in the Dell company. How much? 2 lakhs. So debit is purchase computers. Next transaction is one damaged computer of rupees 40,000 is returned to Dell company. Again I repeat, one damaged computer of rupees 40,000 is returned to Dell company. Here the journal entry is debit Dell company account, credit is purchase return. This transaction you should enter in debit note voucher. Here click other vouchers. In that select debit note. Then click change mode, select as voucher. So debit Dell company, how much? 40,000. The credit is purchase return. Next transaction is one computer of rupees 40,000 is converted into fixed assets. Again I repeat, one computer of rupees 40,000 is converted into fixed assets. Here the journal entry is debit computer account, credit is purchase computers account. You have to enter this transaction in journal voucher. Shortcut key is F7. So debit computers account. How much? 40,000. Credit is purchase computers. Next transaction is payment made to Dell company of rupees 1,50,000 through ICICI Bank and discount received is rupees 10,000. Again I repeat, payment made to Dell company of rupees 1,50,000 through ICICI Bank and discount received is rupees 10,000. Here the journal entry is debit Dell company value of rupees 1,60,000. Credit is ICICI Bank value is rupees 1,50,000. Next credit is discount received account rupees 10,000. This you have to enter in payment voucher. Shortcut key is F5. So debit is Dell company. How much? 1,60,000. The credit ICICI Bank 1,50,000. $1,50,000. Next credit is discount received rupees 10,000. Okay. Next transaction is sale of computers of rupees 1 lakh on credit to Arish Infotech. Again I repeat, sale of computers of rupees 1 lakh on credit to Arish Infotech. Here the journal entry is debit Arish Infotech account, credit is sales computer account. This you have to enter in sales voucher. Shortcut key for sale voucher is F8. Then click change mode, select as voucher. So debit Arish Infotech 1 lakh, credit is sales computers. Next transaction is one damaged computer of rupees 50,000 is returned by Arish Infotech. Again I repeat, one damaged computer of rupees 50,000 is returned by Arish Infotech. Here the journal entry is debit sales return account, credit is Arish Infotech account. You have to enter this transaction in credit note vouchers. Click other vouchers, then select the credit note. Then click change mode, select as voucher. So amount is 50,000. So debit sales return 50,000. Next transaction is check payment received from Arish Infotech of rupees 40,000 and discount allowed rupees 5,000 and bad debts rupees 5,000. Again I repeat, check payment received from Arish Infotech of rupees 40,000, discount allowed rupees 5,000 and bad debts rupees 5,000. Here the journal entry is debit ICICI Bank account rupees 40,000, debit discount allowed rupees 5,000, again debit bad debts rupees 5,000, then credit Arish Infotech rupees 50,000. This you have to enter in receipt voucher. Shortcut key is F6. So credit Arish Infotech How much? 50,000. Debit ICICI Bank 40,000. Next debit discount no load. How much? 5,000. Next debit is bad debts 5,000. Next transaction is goods costing rupees 10,000 is lost by fire, no insurance. Again I repeat, good costing rupees 10,000 is lost by fire, no insurance. Here the journal entry is debit lost by fire account, credit is purchase goods account. This transaction you have to enter in journal voucher. Shortcut key for journal is F7. So debit loss on fire, how much? Rupees 10,000. Credit is purchase goods. Next transaction is good costing rupees 10,000 is lost by fire with insurance. Again I repeat, good costing rupees 10,000 is lost by fire with insurance. Here the journal entry is debit insurance company account, credit is lost by fire account. This you have to enter in journal voucher, same. So debit insurance company, rupees 10,000, credit is lost by fire, rupees 10,000. Next transaction is out of rupees 10,000, only 6,000 is received from insurance company. Again I repeat, out of 10,000 rupees loss, only 6,000 is received from insurance company. Here the journal entry is debit ICICI Bank 6,000, debit loss by fire 4,000, credit insurance company rupees 10,000. This transaction you have to enter in receipt voucher. Shortcut key for receipt is F6. So amount is 10,000. So debit ICICI Bank, how much we received? Only 6,000. Remaining amount is loss 4,000. I hope you all understand how to enter advanced journal entries in Tally Prime. Meet you all next video. This is Saravanan signing off from Infinite Knowledge YouTube channel.